this is going to be an unboxing video of the headphones I ordered. Alright, this is what the box looks like. I ordered them from China. From my previous video, it talks about, if you haven't seen it, it just talks about how to get these fake headphones very cheap. Yeah, I only paid like $20 for these fake headphones. I got them, I think, off AliExpress. I crossed out my information so you guys can't see it. I could have just took it off, but I wanted to leave the box the same way. Alright, I just got these in the mail. And about, I don't know, 10 minutes ago, and I was like waiting to make a video, so let's get started. These Chinese have some good wrapping. Scissor stuff. Alright, so here are my fake soles by Ludacris. Well, these ones aren't by Ludacris, but they're supposed to look like they are. I actually put these on Craigslist to see if anybody would buy them. And I did mention in the ad, these are replicas off a fake website from China. And people are still asking, I'll take them, but I put them on Craigslist before I even got them just to see if anybody would be interested in buying them. So I'll have to see if they sell. So this is what the box looks like. Sole SL150. Soles by Ludacris. Here's the side. I think this is the exact same box. Because I used to have some soles by Ludacris, but I did sell them on Craigslist. Because I did not think they were worth the price I paid for them. Alright, let's get into this wrapper here. It does feel pretty cheap. You can see like the corners are all bent in. The box is all beat up from shipping. But who cares? I only paid $20. Box, not good quality. Can't even open it without it ripping. What the frick? This is one weird box. This is definitely not the same inside. So it comes in this cheap little Fendi fake plastic crap. And the box is empty. It did not come with a case. I was aware of that before my purchase, but I thought, I'll get them anyways. They still might be good. I have never bought fake headphones before, so I have no idea how good they'll be. Here they are. Well, the cord is detachable. That's good. I'm glad it's not a built-in cord. And it is a nicer one. It has the 3 rings. It's a nicer cord. That's good. It looks like the Beats studio cord. Alright, and here's the headphones. Huh, they clip in. Mine's broken, as you can see right here. The piece is like loose. Ooh. What the frick? They're broke. These are broke, and I just got them. Well, that just shows you guys should not buy fake headphones off a fake website. It's not worth it. It's kind of depressing. That was $20. Oh, and there's a glue stain right there. I'm kind of sad. I mean, I didn't know they'd be that bad. All the reviews said they're not that bad. Give them a try. Well, they are that bad, and I will be emailing their company just to let them know it was crap. Thanks for watching, and remember, do not buy fake headphones off AliExpress. Hello, and today I'm going to be giving a review on the soles by Ludacris, off-name brand from AliExpress.com. Overall, they are pretty good if you get the right ones. Mine were jacked up, as you can see. I had to stick tape around them. I just got these, so I'll have to find another alternative to making them look good. But what happens is the headphone, this piece right here, that when it adjusts it to go down, it just comes all the way off. Kind of stupid, but yeah. It is pretty comfortable. There is some pretty good cushion in there. It's nicer than I thought it'd be. See, my finger actually gets in there. Alright, it does come with a pretty nice cord. It has I don't get why this one only has 2 little black rings and this one has 3, because I know this one is for voice, but I don't know why this one only has 2, this one has 3. Maybe it's mess up. And it has this little nice thing on the cord. Don't really know what it does, because there's no really volume button. I think it's supposed to look like it has a volume button. Wait, this is a button. And it's already broken because I clicked it once and it won't come back out. That's just how crappy this thing is. And nice long cord. I don't know if it's that long. I'd say it's about 3 rulers long, so about like 36 feet, 36 inches. Sorry, I'm dumb. And this is the box it came in. If you haven't seen my unboxing video, I recommend you watch it. I'll put the link in the description. It comes with a bunch of loose cardboard. And it came with this really cheap plastic. That's what it came in. There is no case with it. I knew there was going to be no case with it when I bought it, and I was okay with that because for 20 bucks, I thought it was a pretty good deal. This is the exact same box I saw Wheel Soul by Ludacris is in, but this box I think is just cheaper and it's all beat up. You can see this corner was just destroyed during shipping. That or they used a crappy refurbished box. Ugh. I don't know why, but it tells you it's compatible with these devices when you can pretty much use any device that has this in it. The aux cable. It's saying right here like 8 or 16 gigabytes for that iPod. I don't know what would be wrong if I use the 32, but maybe it just won't work. I don't see it. This is the original box because it shows the case it comes with, but mine did not come with the case. Empty box. And that's right there's everything it came with. A bunch of plastic wrap and the bag, some stupid bag. The earmuffs, this one's all beat up. You can see like even the stitching was jacked up. I would not be paying $200 to get the real soles if they came in this condition. But since I only paid 20 bucks, I'm not that mad. The only thing, I like the headband though, how it's like the Soles by Ludacris. Because the real ones do have that. I used to have a pair of Soles. They sound better. These headphones have no bass at all. They sound like the $5 ones you can get at Walmart. It's just these ones look cooler. Yeah. I don't remember if the real Soles have this, but if you pull this down, you can actually see the you can see the cord running right down here. So if that cord rips, the headphones won't work. Cause this headphone that keeps falling off, the cord is the only thing that's attaching it. But before it was just dangling, it almost ripped, and then my whole headphones would have been broken. Anyways, also out of 10 stars, I'd have to give this about 7. Because for its price range, I didn't expect them to be 20 perfect, but well, they're good. I think what I paid for, just junk. Thanks for watching. Alright, I'll put a link in the description to show you where I got these headphones. Alright, I wanted to add one thing. I'm kind of retarded. Well, I'm not. I didn't know. But the screws, I took my tape off, as you can see, and I tightened the screws. My screws were loose, which was allowing it to go up and down. So, if I were you guys, I would buy fake headphones. Fake Soles by Ludacris. They're not that bad. I will put the link in the description of where to get them, because they're not that bad. Just make sure you look over them. Make sure all the screws are tight, because they were made in a cheap China factory. Thanks for watching.